Today we're at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort to give you a quick tour of a deluxe studio with standard view that sleeps up to 5 guests.
We're gonna go see our Polynesian Deluxe studio. We just got a standard view, but you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
I've been ready.
Ooh.
Oh la la.
Looks like that's a door to another studio if you wanted to have connecting right there. The first bathroom. Little mermaid themed. Got a nice shower tub and sink area. And the tiki birds. Hannah, what's in that closet there? Is that just storage? Oh, we've got an ironing board, laundry basket, hangers, extra blanket, pillow, and a safe. A little kitchenette.
We have our lovely microwave, coffee, toaster, more coffee stuff, sink, and our mini fridge. And freezer.
For all your Mickey bars. Oh, they gave us like paper towels and cups, plastic silverware.
And I get my own bathroom.
That's a really nice shower.
My shower.
We have 2 shower heads, the rain shower and the regular, and a seat. Super nice. It will be very nice having 2 bathrooms. Some drawers, hair dryer. We've got a queen size bed here for mom and dad.
Mickey.
And a Mickey. Nightstand or end tables.
Oh yes, I see it.
We got USB down here. And Hannah, you want to help me take this Murphy bed down?
Sure.
Got a cute little stitch on there. Oh, it looks like Hawaii. Are you pulling?
Yes, something doesn't sound right.
Oh!
It's not supposed to be there.
Put it back up here.
Super easy to put down and up.
Yeah, it turns into a nice couch during the day. And we have a beautiful balcony. We've got a very nice, spacious balcony. And actually a very nice kind of garden view. This is a standard view, but it's pretty nice. I love seeing all the tiki torches out at night. We've got a nice seating area here for 2 with your Disney Alexa and 1 more bed. Oh, look how cute, Hannah. It's Lilo and Stitch.
So cute.
So there's a look at the Polynesian Deluxe Studio. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. Mahalo.
Mahalo.
There's a look at what the Polynesian Deluxe Studio is like. Do us a favor and simply like this video if it was helpful, and let us know in the comments if you've ever stayed at or plan to stay at the Polynesian Resort. Be sure to check out our full tour of the Polynesian Village Resort in the pinned comment below. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next adventure.